screencast for Syllables and Affixes, Sort 13, More Syllable Junctures in VCV and VCCV Patterns. Alright, so let's take a look at our headers first thing. You'll notice that they look pretty similar to the headers that we had last week. We have VCV, which remember means vowel, consonant, vowel, and then VCCV, which means vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. But there are two VCCV categories this week. One is called different and one is called doublet. Any thoughts about what those two might mean? Let's take a look at our header words and see if we can figure it out. First we have the word silent. Now, does silent have a VCV or VCCV pattern? I see a vowel, consonant, and then another vowel. So that's going to be VCV pattern. Now I have the word happen, H-A-P-P-E-N. I see two consonants together in the middle of that word, so that's going to be a VCCV word. But does it go under different or doublet? Let's look at another our last header word, and that's the word number, N-U-M-B-E-R, number. Now, I see the same kind of pattern. I see a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern, but there's a difference between these two words. Can you tell what that is? The word happen has two of the same letter, two of the same consonants in the middle. That's called a doublet, when you have the same consonant in the middle of that. So this is going to go under the doublet category. Now the word number, our consonants are M and B. Those are different. So this goes under the VCCV different column, number. Do you remember last week we talked about the vowels in these words making a different sound based on the pattern. VCV words made a long vowel sound, excuse me. So under this one, I'd like you to write the word long, referring to the vowel. And then the VCCV, I'd like you to write short somewhere on that part. You know, it's difficult to see here. Both of the VCCVs are going to be short vowel sounds. So that'll help us as well trying to figure out where these words will go. All right, let's take a look at the word blanket. Blanket. Do you see two consonants in the middle? Or is it vowel, consonant, vowel? A, which is a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. So it's going to be one of these VCC words, but which category? Is there a doublet in the middle? Is our consonant a doublet, or is it different? N and K are different letters, obviously, so that's going to go in the VCCV different category. What about the word chapter? I don't see two of the same vowels, so I'm going to put that in the different category. What about sister? Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, so I know it's in one of these two categories. And there's no doublet. The consonants are different, S and T, so that's going to go under this one right here. What about the word female? I see vowel, consonant, vowel. So this is going to be a VCV word. I'd like you to go through and sort the rest of your words into these three different categories. And if there's an oddball, go ahead and put one in the oddball. Before you come back, read through each of the categories to see if you hear a long vowel sound in the vowel, consonant, vowel, and if you hear short vowel sounds in the VCCV words. Go ahead and pause the screencast to sort your words and read through each one. All right, let's read through our words to listen for the vowel sound that each makes. So all of these words here should have a long vowel sound. Silent, female, moment, fever, and water. I know I heard a long vowel sound in silent, female, moment, and fever, but water, I didn't really hear a long vowel sound. And I know it's a VCV pattern, so water is actually going to go into my oddball list. Water doesn't have a long or a short vowel sound. That A makes a different sound. Now let's take a look at the vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel words with different consonants in that juncture. Number, blanket, chapter, sister, after, finger, winter, window, member, and problem. Now there's one other one that I noticed followed this pattern, and that was only down here at the bottom. It's a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel word with a different vowel or different consonants at the juncture, but only has a long vowel sound in the middle. So only is actually another one of our oddballs. It's a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel word, but instead of making a short vowel sound at the beginning, it makes a long vowel sound. Let's read through our vowel, consonant, consonant, vowels that have doublets in the middle, the same consonant. Happen, funny, follow, pillow, yellow, better, bottom, and then pattern. All of these words are vowel, consonant, consonant words that have a doublet in the middle, the same consonant, and they all have a short vowel sound with that first vowel. And then again, our oddballs this week are water and only, because they don't follow the vowel sound pattern that also goes along with this. Now that you're finished with your sort, I'd like you to go ahead and write these words under day 1 in your spelling packet and refer back to the screencast as often as needed